Here's a wild one. Ever heard of the Great Molasses Flood? January 15, 1919. Boston, Massachusetts. It was unseasonably warm. A massive tank, 50 feet tall, filled with over 2 million gallons of molasses. Suddenly, boom! The tank ruptures. A wave of molasses, 15 feet high, rushing through the streets. Faster than you think. 35 miles per hour. Buildings crushed. People swept away. Horses drowned. The sticky sweetness turned deadly. 21 dead. 150 injured. What caused the disaster? Negligence? Structural failure? Some whisper of sabotage. Anarchists, they said. But here's the kicker. The real reason might surprise you. The molasses was destined for alcohol production, for wartime munitions. But the First World War had just ended. The explosion? A desperate act to prevent the conversion. A fight for peace. Hidden in sticky history.